Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I am back to do my December brown sugar box. I have avoided social media like the plague, so I don't know if I'm in the first group to get them this month or if I'm in the last one. But I thought, you know what? I've already got on my shirt from a previous box, so I am going to check out what is in this one. So, the first thing that I noticed is that there is a 2019 calendar in the package and it was not in the box. So 2019, it has, yay, another calendar featuring us and all of the shirts, it looks like, or some of the shirts and pictures from the past year. So I am loving this calendar. I enjoy the 2018 calendar. I have it upstairs hanging in my closet so that I know of any special appointments or anything that's going on when I'm in there getting dressed. And I am loving all of the 2019 brown sugar babies featured in this calendar. Y'all look good in calendar form. I'm loving it because these are some pictures and stuff that I have seen as I've been following the Brown Sugar Lounge on Facebook. So that is, I love the calendar. All right, Brown Sugar Babe. I have no clue what's in this box. I have purposely stayed off social media so that the final box of this year, I didn't have any spoilers. All right, so this is the magazine for the month of December. It is Black Holiday Movies You've Never Seen, 2018 Most Memorable Moments, 5 Winter Fashion Trends, 5 Ways to Give Back This Holiday Season, and Tips for Getting into the Holiday Spirit. And the items for this month's box. The first one is the Brown Sugar Babe 2019 calendar with a retail value of $15. The next is, oh, this is gorgeous. It is a necklace and earring set. And it is, there's a choice of 1 of 3 colors. And it has a retail value of $27. That's perfect for the holidays. I've been doing, red is my favorite color, and I've been doing a lot of green, so that works out beautifully. The next is the Izzy and Liv Holiday Cash. It says it's the season for giving, and we love giving to our subscribers as you get get your holiday shopping out of the way. Be sure to use code HOLIDAYCASH for $5 off of an Izzy and Liv purchase. And this little accessory piece is in black. Let me see if I can put it over here. Oh, this is really cute. So it's got a little tassel here and the charm that says Izzy and Liv, and on the inside it has an ID holder, place for you to slip your cards, and then there's some Izzy and Liv cash on the inside for your $5 off. So that's really cute. I love Izzy and Liv cash. This is really cute. It's got some nice weight to it. And I love the fact that it's branded with Izzy and Liv here, as well as on the charm here on the side and a cute little tassel. And this is retail value. It actually doesn't say, but I'm sure it's worth more than the $5 that they included in here. The next is what is this? It is a faux fur collar, and it's one of 3 colors. And of course, this is more of a maroon reddy color, which is my favorite color, so I'm not mad at this. I really like it. And this one is a retail value of $20. I may actually use that this week because I have to go out of town for business. It has a button here, and I am sure that there's a place for it to button here. I'm just not seeing how the collar connects, but I'll figure that out off camera. But it's a very nice piece. I love that. And satin lined on the underbelly. So already have my holiday colors going on there. The next is a satin lined beanie hat. And I was just with a group of ladies over the weekend for my birthday, and we were talking about a different brand of hat that has the satin lining, but I like this color. It's a nice chocolate color, and here is the lining on the inside, so it's going to help keep your head warm and your curls hydrated. So I love this, and it has a retail value of $24, and there were 5 colors available. It looks like the one featured in the magazine it's either black or navy. And the next item here is a leatherette tri-fold wallet. No, this is not the wallet. This is actually the leatherette bucket bag. They have one featured in the magazine, and it's pink. And if you've been following my brown sugar, I'm happy when I don't get pink. My favorite color is red. And this one appears to be black. And it's really cute. So it's got a little shoulder strap here, but it's just a little bucket bag. There were 4 colors available, and it has a retail value of $12. I'm not seeing any place where it is branded. There's a tag that's in the bottom that's branded for Izzy and Liv, but that's really cute. And there's the base of it. Let's see. So cute little bucket bag. The next item, there's a ton of stuff. This month's box value is $138. You cannot beat that for the price. And the next item, oh, I didn't get my trifold wallet. Supposed to have a trifold wallet in this month's box. It's supposed to have a purse, the wallet, and the bucket bag, and I don't have the trifold wallet. It was one of 4 colors, a $12 retail value. Is that what this is? Ah, I see what they did. The wallet is one item, which is valued at $12, and then the $5 cash that is in the inside is a separate item. So that wasn't clear to me when I first looked at it, but this is the leatherette trifold wallet, $12, one of 4 colors. Mine is black, and then the $5 towards the Izzy and Liv purchase on the inside is additional. And the last thing this month is the t-shirt. And you can tell I'm rocking Izzy's and Liv's t-shirt. It's green, so it is absolutely going to match. And for all of the AKAs out there that are getting their brown sugar boxes, they're going to absolutely love this because we are in pink and green. And it says, fa la 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 flawless. I love it. Last year's shirt was red with white writing, and it said, I came to slay. And it had, you know, Santa sleigh on the front. But I really like this one. So very nice. So that is the December 2018 edition of the Brown Sugar Box. I have more than enjoyed my 2018 subscription and look forward to all of the great things for 2019. There have been lots of things that I have enjoyed. There have been a few boxes that I was extremely selfish with and decided not to share anything and keep it all for me. And then there were other boxes that I thought some of the pieces made better gifts for friends, my sisters, some other family members. So I love the box, and this month's holiday box was no exception. So if you have not started your brown sugar box subscription, the first thing is, what are you waiting for? There's a discount code down in the information box. Make sure that you check that out. It saves you money on your initial subscription. And it gives me credit towards earning a free box. It's a win-win for everyone. So thank you so very much for watching. Until next month, enjoy your brown sugar box. Bye, everyone.